Good evening, everyone. It is Sunday, and I just wanted to just share with you a neat little rolling cart that I got from Michael's. I think it was like $30. I wanted to just share with you how handy and beneficial it is if you have a small office space like myself. So if you do enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, whenever I get those neat little items that I utilize in the office, then I will share it with you so you can perhaps get some ideas yourself on how to organize your office as well. So again, because I have a small office space, I needed to be able to have more room on my table to be able to do my crafting. And I had all of this stuff on the table. So I basically had a very small area to work with, and it became a little much for me to be doing several cards in a small space. So I wasn't able to feel comfortable and happy with the space. So I went to Michael's and I did find this rolling card here. There are different colors. I think there's black, there's some sort of a pinkish color. But basically it's a very simple card to assemble. Anyone can do it very easy. So it didn't take me very long to put it together. Everything, instructions were pretty much simple. The pieces were not like in a way that you couldn't follow what was going where and things like that. The diagrams on the paper was just awesome. So I actually enjoyed getting this set up, getting the cart set up. So let me show you. It's by Recollections. And if you can see this here, this is the instruction sheet. And basically what it does, it just basically, if you're a visual person, it definitely helps, because even if I read everything, just not being able to, if it was in writing, I may not have been able to be so quick about it. But the diagram shows you all how to put it, where to put it, the pieces. So it was very, very simple. Okay, so with all of the stuff that I had, I was able to get everything kind of more organized in a way that I could have easier access. And of course, because of my limited space on my table, taking all of this out was a blessing. So basically, I ended up putting these two bulky pieces in here, one on above the other. I had like this little thing here with just letters. I have two of those which I have in here, so I was able to put it in here. I have my glues, my scissors, the things that I use most. I have my markers, my pens, my knife, my folder, not my folder, I'm sorry, I forgot what they call it, I'm sorry, but it's that thing when you fold in your cards. Oh my goodness, I think I'm having one of those moments. I'm getting older, I guess. But those of you who know what I'm talking about, this is it. Then I had a bunch of markers, double-sided markers that I'm using. I love those. Those are called, I'm not sure, it's HU. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. But basically I have my markers in here that need those things I need to lay flat. I have them in here. I have some paint brushes. I have my, my stencil brushes, just regular paint brushes. I have my glues. I have just little its and bits in here. And then down on the bottom, I'm going to just down on the bottom here, this is where basically I have like tape and mounting tape, regular tape, and just the matting for my Cuttlebug and my embossing machines. So I have those on the side here and the other set to the back. And this one, this is a puncher, by Fiskars, but because of the length, I couldn't fit it in the place I normally do, so I kind of just stick it in here. But basically, that's where I have all my tape and my things of tape nature, basically. And I kind of stuck my staples and stapling machine in there. So basically what I do is I just kind of roll this into a corner, and then when I'm ready to do my card making, or start making a mess, I just roll it towards the desk where I am, have it on the side, and it's really handy. So if you are struggling with table space and you want to consider getting one of those, that would be definitely an awesome thing to have. They're different. There are different kinds at the Michaels, but from what I understand, they don't normally have discounts on those. But once in a while, they may decide to have like 40% of coupons on them as well. But that's not as often. But guys, this is a saving grace for me. So now I have a lot of space that I can utilize and have, several cards going if I want to, without feeling, cramped up in a corner, and my, everything is less stressful. So I just wanted to share that with you. So thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that this was of help to you. So enjoy the rest of your week. Happy New Year, and hope to see you again next Sunday. Bye bye.